author from Temu. I'm almost done wrapping this, but it's my sister's birthday today, and I'm gonna give her some Catalina pieces. Lucky her. I just need to find a bow. I found a ribbon after all, so now it looks pretty. I'm in my closet. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I just have a few things to hang, and I want to finish filming a video that I started this week. And I want to start Vlogmas on TikTok, but doing daily outfits. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do it. And I'll probably share the outfits here on my blog as well. Anyways, I haven't vlogged in a while, but on Thanksgiving, which I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. On Thanksgiving, I was getting leftovers, and I put the knife that cut the turkey kind of at the edge of the table, I guess, and it fell. And it was a ninja knife, and the knife fell, and I stepped back thinking that I stepped back far enough, but the knife still got me. It like stabbed me and sliced me in my shin. I'm a weenie, and I didn't want to get stitches. We got home, we cleaned it, and because we had Thanksgiving at Alfredo's sister's house, and so she actually didn't have any band-aids, so we were able to get a band-aid from his niece's boyfriend's car or truck. He had a first aid kit, and so we were able to at least bandage it. I didn't really clean it, but I bandaged it, got home, cleaned it really well, put peroxide on it, put a band-aid on it. So now it's actually scabbed over. It's still a really good indentation in my leg, but it looks 10 times better. If you would like to see it, I'm going to put it in here very quickly, so hopefully I don't get in trouble for it. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like now. Over here trying to get really like intense into it. It looks pretty gross, but if you look, it's got a pretty good indentation in the leg still. No longer having to cover it and clean it and put like Neosporin on it. So it's pretty much healed, and I'm not, and I'm just being very careful because I don't want to hit it and it bleed or something. So yeah. That happened to me on Thanksgiving. I'm doing a whole lot better, thankfully. Also, since I haven't been vlogging either, for the past 2 weeks and a half, and technically it's still lingering, I apparently was suffering from vertigo or something that was making me dizzy. And I don't think I've ever shared it on here, but I had a stroke back in 2018. I'm pretty sure it's 2018. Not due to my health. It was due to a neck injury I had from kickboxing. So I took a kickboxing class, and I must have done something where I turned my head this way, my body went that way, and it caused a tear in my left vertebral artery, which is back here. We have 2 carotid arteries, 2 vertebral arteries, and the vertebral arteries are held in between bone, and so it's protected by bone around it. If you move a certain way where your head goes this way but your body goes that way, kind of if you think like reaching over to your back seat and your head's doing this, and that's kind of the motion that you don't want to do very harshly, because what happens, let me put the camera down. So what happens when you do that motion, what happens to the artery is that it almost does this, and then it's got 3 layers inside the artery, and one of the layers like tore. And then what happened is 3 days later, I woke up to the room spinning. Like, I woke up in bed and the room was spinning, and I thought, oh my God, what's going on? I thought maybe my blood sugar was low. I don't know. I don't have low blood sugar. I don't have anything like that. But I thought, I don't know what's wrong. The room is spinning, and I tried to get up, and I'm like falling over to the side. I started vomiting, and it was just intense, like intense dizziness I've never experienced before in my life. Long story short, that following week, after having different testing, going to the ER, things like that, I was admitted because in a CT scan, they were able to see that there was something that happened to my artery in the back. And so it's called a left vertebral tear. And that 3 days later, what happened is 3 days later, it started to scab, just like any kind of, cut that you would have. It started to scab. The scab caused a blockage in that artery, causing me to have loss of oxygen to my cerebellum, which caused me to have the strokes. Actually, I had, I think, 2 big ones and then several small ones. Thankfully, I'm here to tell the story, obviously. But apparently, I was in the hospital for a week. I didn't remember that. But I was in the hospital for about a week. And really, the only side effects I had from it was I had to recover. Like, I had to get my equilibrium back, because I was definitely still dizzy after all of that happened. And I finally got home, and it was confirmed that that's what it was. So I just had to get my bearings back, pretty much. I was out of work for like a week. And then, yeah, and then I was back at work and just taking it really slow because I was still healing from the strokes, I guess. So yeah, that happened to me. Very scary, very weird. I mean, I kind of did some research about it back then, and it's, you know, it happens from like chiropractic appointments where they adjust your neck. It can happen, you know, that motion that I told you where you're like reaching to the back of your car. It can happen maybe doing some vigorous workouts. One of the things I took away from that experience is the neurologist would say, like, you know, people that are prone to strokes are people that have high blood pressure, diabetes, being overweight, and high cholesterol. And so those are things that run in my family. So he said the best thing that you could do for your health is to do a 30-minute workout, a 30-minute workout a day. And so that's kind of what I took away from like how to keep myself healthy, is to get, you know, a walk-in or a workout or something that makes my heart rate go up for about 30 minutes a day. And that's when I picked up working out. And so that's why I do the workouts. Not necessarily, I mean, I joke around and say I'd like to get like a big butt and all that, and that I don't think that's ever gonna happen unless I like up my weights and things like that. But I don't want to do heavy weights. I don't want to put myself in a predicament like I did that last time in 2018. So never shared that before. Thought I'd share it on here now. So the whole purpose of sharing that I've actually never shared before is because anytime I have dizziness, anxiety levels go through the roof, and I get really worried, and I get scared, and I think back to like what happened, and I just assume the worst, obviously, when something like that happens. So I have I guess I have PTSD from that. But I've seen neurologists, and I've had other MRIs when these things happen to me, and we've just come to the conclusion that around my period I get like migraines or symptoms of migraines where I can have sensitivity to light and dizziness, headaches, things like that kind of give me those dizzy symptoms. And I just had my period. It came with a vengeance, and a week before my period came, I was having these dizziness, but my period is now gone, and I still have like these faint kind of lightheaded feeling that I'm not dizzy, but just kind of off with, and I've been having that with headaches most of the day. And I just don't normally get headaches, so I assume it's related to like these migraines that I'm getting around my period. I don't know. I mean, I just turned 40, so maybe my periods are changing and it's coming with all these other symptoms. So yeah, so that's my story. If y'all have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Or if you know anyone that's ever had this kind of stroke. It's called, I had an ischemic stroke, by the way, that's what it's called, caused by a left vertebral tear in my artery. So hope I didn't freak y'all out. I know after that happened, everyone around me was like, well, I'm never working out again. And so, but it was from kickbox, and it was, you know, vigorous activity. That's why my workouts are mostly like, I do weightlifting, but it's just, you know, the movement in weightlifting aren't like crazy intense or vigorous, so it's just very controlled movements, and or I do walk, light runs, or the little stepper. So that's how I like to get my heart rate up for 30 minutes and keep it nice and simple and don't do anything too crazy. But yeah, that's my story. Also, I think I mentioned earlier, it's my sister's birthday, so my mom said she's gonna take her out to lunch, and then she said, you know what, since I'm going over there, maybe I'll just stay the weekend. She's been staying here since mid-November. She's in town. And I said, yeah, okay. And then she said, well, why should you just stay the whole week? So her day lunch trip has turned into a weekend and now a week. So she will be at my sister's for this week, and it'll just be me and the boys and Alfredo this weekend. Alfredo's off tomorrow, so that's nice. We don't have any plans, but maybe we'll get out and do something. Shared with y'all my tree. I redid it. I don't know if y'all been following along for a while now, then you know that this tree is normally pink, silver, and like gold. And I wanted a new tree because, you know, TikTok talks about all the beautiful new trees and they're really expensive. So I was like, you know what, instead I'm gonna just buy new stuff for the tree and make it look a little different. Went with these matte black colored ornaments with the black matte ornaments from At Home. The pack of 16 was $5, and I think these were a pack of 16 also for $5. So I just got 2 packs of the smaller ones and 1 pack of the big ones. And the start is from Target. And then I just got a few black accents to add to the shelf and to this little area because last year we didn't have this and we still don't have a coffee table or rug. So I was able just to get a few things and just add a little bit of black into. I was coming over here to share my outfit, but I'm wearing all denim. These are the boyfriend jeans from Lucky, and I found these at TJ Maxx. So they're kind of like oversized and big, and they fit me like a little big, which I really like. And I just threw on this shirt from Target. But I've been wearing scarves a lot lately, and I talk about that in this video that I'm trying to get up about accessorizing with scarves. And then I put heels on, even though I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally just gonna go pick up the boys, but I wanted to jazz it up. Been feeling cruddy for a while, and I haven't gone anywhere. And I just thought I'd dress up and look nice, even if I'm just gonna pick up the boys. But yeah, this is my little outfit for day 1 of Vlogmas. And I really like it. Oh, and then just throw on a bunch of bracelets, no necklace, and then the little earrings, cuff, and then studs right here. I haven't showed y'all my nails. These are press-on nails from Shein. I shared these on my Shein haul, and I think they're so cute. I wore a pair of press-on nails I still had them on last week. They lasted for a full 2 weeks. Those suckers were not coming off, and I just used the nail glue. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna be doing some little design and press-on nails from now on. But this is today's outfit, and this is the purse I have that I'm taking from Amazon. It's Saturday, and I'm gonna vlog this weekend so I can get it up Monday and then post every Monday for the month of December. Look at Andy. Look at this. Look at what he was up to. There's us, and there's them again. Somebody got a new haircut. Can you see this side? It looks so good. I'm gonna put a little beanie on because I don't want to wash my hair, but it is a little cool outside. Here's my little outfit. It's a navy California sweatshirt that I got from Ross. Little beanie, my Amazon bag, the Old Navy. These are Old Navy trousers with the pleating in the front. I love these trousers. They're petite, so I don't have to do anything with them, and I can wear them with flats. And I'm wearing my Sambas, and that's it. That's my little outfit for day 2. I'm getting ready for this holiday party we have for Alfredo's job. But we went to the dollar store because I had to pick up some boxes and stuff. And I found this single nutcracker there, and I'm going to spray paint it black since I added black accents to our Christmas decor this year. We also got some hangers, boxes I needed, things like that. So I'm getting ready right now. I'm letting my hair cool, and I'm about to change my bag because it's at the Star, and they have a clear bag policy. And I'm wearing this old dress from Target, some brown boots, and then this super duper old statement necklace from Forever 21. But I thought it looked cute, like peeking out, and I still don't have earrings on or lipstick. But this is my little outfit tonight. So we're already home from the holiday party. I'm already in my PJs, and I need to do some laundry because it's Sunday and we gotta get everything going for the week. I think I'm gonna upload and edit everything so I can get it up by tomorrow because tomorrow's Monday, so I want to post every Monday again like I used to when I started vlogging. And since I'm picking it back up and it's Vlogmas, I really want to try to get it up on Mondays, at least for the month of December, and try to do the same going forward. So I'm gonna try to do that, and yeah. So I'm going to clean up a little bit and then upload this video so I can get something up for tomorrow.